Hi everyone, thank you for watching Drew's Corner and welcome back again for another episode of Video Tutorial. And today we will be talking about how to put a video madami yun eh. How to put video elements on your uploaded videos. So again, as you can see on my screen, nag-test upload tayo. So ngayon, nandun na tayo sa step 3, which is video elements. Alright. So ngayon, may mga nakikita kayo yung mga end screen merong lumalabas, 'di ba? Same with my videos. Every time na mag-end yung video ko, meron akong pa-end screen na, if you want to see more of my videos, click lang ganon. So, tuturuan ko kayo how to put those end screen and how they are effective. Okay? So, ngayon nandito na tayo sa video elements and just click add, of course. And, meron kang option if paganyan. Pero since yung lagi kong video is more of pag ganon, hi, if you want to see more of my ganon. So, ganito ko siya nilagay. But, as you can see, nakanganga pa ako. Pwede nyo siyang ma-move. Ayan, na-move nyo siya kung saan nyo siya gustong i-move. Okay? Kung gusto nyong pag ganyan, gusto nyo i-ano. Same with your logo. Ayan. Okay? Kung saan nyo gustong ilagay. Ako kasi masyado akong OC eh. So, yan gusto kong naka-center. Kung gusto niyo naman mas malaki, pwede din mas malaki. Kung mas maliit, ayan, mas maliit. And also, lagi niyong tandaan na it's usually on the parang mga 30 seconds or 1 minute bago mag-end yung video nyo siya malalagay. So if you want to put something like what I did before na merong if you want to see more of my videos, ganon, so you can put something on it. But it's usually at the end of your video. So pwede nyo rin siyang ma-move. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang ma-move. Pwede nyo rin siyang paliitin. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang paliitin. Pwede rin pahabain, ganyan. Para kung hanggang doon sa dulo, pwede siyang mahaba na magsasabi. Sorry naman sa kamay ko. Pwede rin siyang mahaba. Okay? And, yan. So, may end screen na kayo. Yan yung element nyo. But, you also have the option if it's most recent viewed, best for viewer, and then choose a specific video. So, it's up to you if what you want to do on your end screen or in your yung elements nyo na ilalagay sa end screen. And then if you're done, just save it. And another tips that I'll be providing to you is add a card. Okay, may nakikita kayo sa mga videos, 'di ba? Na like this one, may makikita kayo ngayon na parang gumanon na white, 'di ba? It's also another way for you to promote your videos. Okay, that's what I do eh. So I don't know if it's effective or not, but may mga nabasa kasi ako sa mga forums and other YouTube na mga groups na effective daw yon. So ngayon tuturuan ko kayo on how to put a cards on your videos. Actually, it's effective kasi makikita nyo yun sa analytics eh. But, next time ko na yun ituturo sa inyo once na upload na natin to. And then, pag add card, you have the option if you want to put a video playlist, your channel, your poll, or a link. But right now, as of today, merong sinabi si UIT na after June 10th, videos will no longer be supporting poll cards. So itong poll, mawawala na to. So what I usually do is I use video playlist. So video playlist, for example, I wanted to choose this one. And then you want to put a customized message, like for me is suggested lagi. So yan. And And then if you want that to be posted, if you want that to put on a 10-second, and then pwede din, ma-move nyo rin. And then, ilagay nyo rin yung next naman. Ganun din ulit. Yan. Dito ulit. Ayan, nawala siya. Anyway, tapos, ito naman, lagay nyo din siya sa pangalawa. Ayan, pangalawa. So, and so on. So, 5 yun. Okay? Limang ganyan. So, once you're done, kung gusto nyo ilagay yan, then yan, return to YouTube Studio lang. Okay? So, once you're done, and then, okay na siya, ganyan na yung next. And then, next na lang para sa visibility. And then, sa next episode naman, I will show you how to set a premiere on your video. So, again, if you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be updated anytime. Goodbye, everyone. See you on the road. Hi there! If you want to see more of my episodes and other featured videos, just check these videos, including this episode. See ya! Bye!